That's cool sticks. They need to be quiet. I know, but they need to be quiet. Is not that one? When they're all white. When they're all white. It's about to be the end.
Green! Close.
It's so close to the end.
Purple! Orange! Purple!
Green.
Green! Green! That's purple.
Blue.
Orange. Purple. Orange.
Sure.
Red. Green. Yay, boy! Yay!
Sure.
More time!
That was good.
Ah,
shut up. Wait. Wait, man, we'll watch fireworks, you know. They got like those little torches, dude. They be having in the movies, like when they go like in Jurassic Park and drop on the floor.
They had 2 trucks full of firecrackers.
Dude, another Kool-Aid one. Another one be shit. Yeah. Nah. At the end, you'll hear it. At the end, you can tell. That was so hot, it was Kool-Aid.
Orange is the one that go boom, 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 boom.
Boom, 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 boom. I was the cars walk. It is. Most are like.
When you grab finale,
it's like in 10 minutes. But I think it's it. No, it's not. Ali! It should be louder.
They put the
Cherry bombs. Sticks. Oh yeah, I think right here.
You came next to you?
You came, did you?
I saw it yesterday.
You went at your mom's house, right? By your mom's house?
I saw it yesterday, yeah.